Data centers are the backbone of our digital world. They power everything from online shopping to streaming services. But, this reliance comes at a cost. Data centers consume enormous amounts of energy. As our reliance on data grows, so does their energy demand. The industry is facing a critical challenge, achieving net zero carbon emissions. This means balancing the amount of greenhouse gases emitted with an equivalent amount removed from the atmosphere. Many companies have made pledges to reach net zero. However, translating these pledges into action is proving difficult. The gap between ambition and reality is a serious concern. The urgency to address this issue is growing. Our planet depends on it. We need to find ways to power our digital lives sustainably. The transition to a net zero future requires a collective effort. Governments, industry leaders, and technology providers must work together. We need to innovate, invest, and implement solutions that reduce the environmental impact of data centers. The future of our planet depends on it. Despite the challenges, the data center industry is making progress in sustainability. One significant area of improvement is the adoption of renewable energy sources. Many data center operators are investing in solar and wind power to reduce their reliance on fossil fuels. For example, in the United States, data centers have contracted a significant amount of clean energy. This includes solar and wind power. This shift towards renewables is a positive step towards decarbonizing the industry. Another promising development is the focus on waste heat reuse. Data centers generate a significant amount of heat, which is often wasted. Innovative projects are now finding ways to capture and utilize this heat. For instance, a data center in Paris is using its excess heat to warm the Olympic Aquatic Center. These initiatives demonstrate the potential for data centers to contribute to a circular economy. By finding new uses for waste heat, we can reduce energy waste and lower carbon emissions. While progress is being made, new challenges are emerging. The rise of artificial intelligence, or AI, is one such challenge. AI requires immense computing power, which translates into higher energy consumption for data centers. As AI applications become more prevalent, the energy demands of data centers are projected to increase significantly. This surge in demand could undermine the progress made in reducing carbon emissions. Therefore, it is crucial to develop energy-efficient AI solutions. Another obstacle to achieving net zero is the lack of transparency and accurate data. There is a need for standardized reporting on energy use and carbon emissions in the industry. Without accurate data, it is difficult to measure progress and hold companies accountable for their environmental impact. Some major cloud providers have been criticized for their lack of transparency. This makes it difficult to assess the true environmental impact of their operations. Increased transparency is essential for driving accountability and progress in the industry. The transition to net zero data centers requires more than just pledges. We need to move from ambition to action. This requires a multifaceted approach involving governments, industry leaders, and technology providers. Governments play a crucial role in setting regulations and providing incentives for sustainable practices. Regulations can establish energy efficiency standards for data centers and encourage the adoption of renewable energy. Incentives can encourage investment in clean technologies and research. Industry leaders must prioritize sustainability in their operations. This includes setting ambitious emissions reduction targets and investing in renewable energy sources. They should also prioritize energy efficiency measures and explore innovative solutions like waste heat reuse. Technology providers have a critical role in developing and deploying solutions that enable sustainable data centers. This includes developing energy-efficient hardware, optimizing cooling systems, and creating software that minimizes energy consumption. Collaboration is key to achieving a net zero future for data centers. By working together, we can create a digital world that is both powerful and sustainable. The time for action is now. Our planet depends on it. Find out more in the link in the description below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for listening in.